Good morning to all of you. As IT lecture, in so many instances also, while telling you the Information Technology Act, I told you that the very purpose of the Information Technology Act is to get the electronic documents legally recognized. That means if you send any order, if you upload any order, if you send any tender, if it is digitally signed, it has to be accepted as though it is given on a plain white paper. The conventional white paper, stamp, signature, this method should go away. So governance, paperless governance should come into sense. All these things we told you. And even Section 4 of the Information Technology Act says about the legal recognition of electronic records. While that is the case, still the authorities are insisting for the so-called seal, stamp and signature for getting a person released from the prison. It happened in Agra Central Court. Right? So in this case what happened is, actually these boys, they were juveniles. 13 people actually, they were juveniles at the time of committing offense. Of course, they did not commit an ordinary offense, they committed the murder. They were involved in the case of murder and they were sentenced to life also. But there was a dilemma about their age. They are between 18 and 17 and 18 years of age. So even they could not prove their age at the time. I think they did not make any efforts to ascertain their age at the particular time. But having spent about 13 years in jail, now they have realized, and some advocate has come, he has taken up the matter pro bono, and ultimately the court was also considerate. Supreme Court gave them bail, ordered them bail in the last week. Maybe I think it is on 9th or 10th of this month. Right? Even then, the Agra jail authorities did not release them on bail, and they are insisting for the court order by post. So the sealed cover they want to receive. Right? So when the advocate, lawyer, I think Rishi Malhotra, yes, when he has approached the Central Prison Superintendent, he is the senior superintendent of Agra Central Jail, Mr. D.K. Singh. He said that they are awaiting for the orders from the court. So he says, due process have to be followed now. Yeah, bhaiya, definitely he will be released. I am sure he will be released. But they will have to follow the process. So after receiving the physical copy of the order only, they are going to release him. Of course, it is already dispatched. I think by yesterday they might have received the order. Any moment it can reach, they said. Right? So, lawyer says, 1 week, the Supreme Court reacted and it has given orders within 1 week, granted bail 1 week. But this may take one more week to get them released on bail. Then what is the use of the so-called getting into force of the so-called Information Technology Act? What for this is there? So Section 4 they have to read out when it is uploaded. So nowadays virtual hearing is being done through courts. By courts, virtual hearing is being done, no physical appearance. So when such orders, when the orders are uploaded, bail orders definitely they have to be taken into consideration on par with the traditional paper governance. But still these people are not doing. The point is, why they should receive the physical copy while online system is there? Why can't they check online and take necessary action? In this digital age also, the cumbersome process of waiting for a physical copies is being practiced, and this should be done away with. Yes, definitely the idea or the expression of the advocate is 100% correct. They need not wait. Everything is being done online. Online everything is being done, and in such a case, why should they wait? So, legal recognition of electronic records, Section 4, where any law provides that information shall be in writing and typewritten or printed form, then, notwithstanding anything contained in such law, such requirement shall be deemed to have been satisfied if such information or matter is rendered or made available in the electronic form or accessible so as to be usable for a subsequent reference. It is 100% sufficient. Why should they call for? But of course, their problem is there because There are so many people. The orders may be tampered. The orders may be corrected to their favor. So many things are there. That's why in the good faith, with good faith only, they are waiting for the physical record. But the time lag. If it is 1 day, it's okay. 2 days, okay. But 1 week means very atrocious. But anyway, what happened is happened. I think by yesterday they might have released. If not released, it is their fate. We can't help. But this is the issue. Please remember the issue and enlighten your officers as advocates. You must enlighten your juniors also in that particular, because we are in the computer era. Still, we should not insist on the so-called paper, stamp, signature, all these things like that. Thank you.